Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting. Today is going to be a mix of videos, I guess. It's going to be a life update, future plans for this channel, and what I got for my birthday. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the stationery that I got. I did get other things besides the stationery, but since this is like a studying channel, I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. Stationery, school related type things that you guys might like to see. So make sure you guys subscribe to be part of the Angels team. Also hit that notification bell to be part of the hashtag Angels notification team. And once you do that, comment down below and I will do a shout out for you guys. So shout out to Annie for always commenting on my videos. We love you. And most of these gifts are from her. So thank you for the birthday gifts and the birthday wishes. So let's just get right on into the video. So the first thing I want to show you guys that I'm super excited about, let me just, okay, so right here, you guys can see this. So I have my phone here. This is a charging station. So I used to have a box on my floor with all of my charging cables, and now I have this beautiful little thing. So just plug it into your outlet, and then you put all of the types of charging cables you want. It comes with 2 short ones for iPhones, and then it comes with a couple Android ones. So all I have to do is put it in one of the slots, charge it, and once it starts charging, a blue light comes up. So the more you put, the more blue lights there are. I really like this because at night, you know, your room isn't completely dark. You have like a little blue light. So this is really cool. I really like the design. Also, it has a little switch on the back here that you can like turn it off and on, so you know when it's charging. You could also unplug it on the side. So there's many different ways, and I guess this is from Ecor. Again, Amazon link, so I will link it in my Amazon link. But I'm super excited about this. We love that I don't have a box on my floor anymore. The one thing I will say is I'm pretty sure they probably have more, but I wish that I would have like just a regular plug instead of just USB. But I love this, and I'm definitely going to be using this more often. The next thing I got, don't mind my fan right over here, but is this storage unit. I'm super excited because I used to have a nightstand, and I didn't really like it because I felt like it was kiddish, but now I have this beautiful like storage unit thing. I really like it because, I don't know, it makes my room feel more grown up, more open, and I just like, so like over here is like my fancier stuff, and then my just everyday stuff, and then down here is like ointments for my eczema, and then my makeup. Down here was another gift from my family that I bought for myself actually, so it's my own gift. It's a Tymo hair thing, and then down there I have one that's empty for future stuff, and then down here is like all the stuff that I don't use on a daily basis, like extra deodorant that I don't use on the daily, because the deodorant I use on the daily are right here. So I really like this. On the top is like mask, a mirror. I also have a mirror, the bam over here, you can see my desk, and the lotion I use on a daily. This is my storage unit. I really don't know. I know it's from Amazon, so I might try to link it down below in my Amazon link, but I don't know which one it is exactly because it was a gift. So then I'm gonna show you everything that I got that like stationery wise or school wise that's like not from Annie. I'm gonna save Annie's stuff for last because that's for last. My dad bought a Friction fine liner pen thingamabobber thing. So these are this. So I got it in orange, blue, and purple. I really love these. They're super thin and beautiful, and they're erasable, but it kind of feels like a marker to me. Like, it's super fine, but it's beautiful. Look at it. It's so good. I've already tested it out. So he ended up keeping 2 and I ended up keeping 3. We like to skip it since we fight over Friction stuff all the time. I will try to link them down below, but I've never even seen these before, so I'm really excited to try these out and more in the future. But I can tell you already, they work like a miracle and I love them. The next school related thing is a pack of gum. I love gum. I feel like it really refreshes your brain when you're working on tests and things like that. And I really hated when like some schools would ban it from school just because I love gum and I love chewing gum, and I feel like it really stimulates my brain to work harder and really focus on what I'm doing. So I really like gum. This is my second pack. Like, I got a pack and I already finished it from my birthday. So this is my second pack that I bought myself. Oh, here's where I'm going to stop the video to talk to you guys about the future. I really want to know what what you guys want to see from this channel. I mean, I have so many ideas, but I always want to hear from you guys to see what videos you've been looking for. So please link them down below while I'm talking about my birthday gifts and life. I think this video is going to be just shorter of me just talking about what I got. Just make sure you guys comment down below what video ideas you want to see. So over here, I'm going to take you guys to my lovely bed. It's full of stuff. It's my MacBook from school. I also got this sleeve, which I will try to link down below, for my MacBook from my birthday. My iPad case, my tripod case, 2 books, and a folder for my music. So I'm showing you guys my bed. I didn't really fix it this morning because I really wanted you guys to see what I got. So I got a new pillow right here, memory foam, and I'm showing you this because I feel like for school you need a really good amount of sleep. So this memory foam pillow is amazing. I love this memory foam pillow. It really helps me sleep. The one thing is, if you have a hard time waking up in the morning, I wouldn't recommend it because it really like makes me fall asleep like that. So that is amazing, and I loved it. So I got new bedding and I got a new pillow, which I bought myself. And then, so my parents bought the bedding and the, how do you guys call it? Because in Spanish it's different and I really don't know what it is. I think it's called a quilt or a duvet cover. I really don't know. So, but I really like it because it's gray and it matches my aesthetic. Up top here, right here, so I have these 4 things, and I'm showing you guys this because Annie got me something that I want to show you guys for my wall in the future. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to show you guys before all the Annie's, this string light set. I'm super excited for it. It was on sale because one of them is broken, so we might have to just change all of them or keep it without a light bulb. But I'm super excited because, as I showed you over here, let me like focus it. Over here, I want either on this wall or on this wall, I want to put string lights or something because I feel like my room would look so much better with it on there. So I bought these, and I think they were either like $33. They used to be $44. They discounted $11, I think, something like that. And it comes with 30, so all I need is some command hooks or strings or something, and then I can hang it up. So that is another thing that I bought. My dad actually bought it for me a couple weeks before my birthday. But I'm super excited. You can use this indoor or outdoor, and it's from Ashland, and I will try to link something similar down below for you guys. Last but not least is all of Annie's stuff. So I'm super excited. She also made me her bag was super cute. I would have unboxed it, but I was really too excited to unbox anything. A really cute bag. She gave me Swedish fish, and I ate it the first day that I got it. It wasn't even my birthday, it was the day before my birthday, and I ate it because I love Swedish fish. My godfather also sent me a box full of candies that are my favorite, full of Swedish fish, and they were like gone in like a week. So anyways, let me show you everything that she got me. So the first thing that you guys are looking at is this bulletin board thing from U-Brand. The U-Brand. If you guys didn't know, the U-Brand, isn't it like a Target brand kind of thing? I really wanted something where I could put like photos and Polaroids and stuff, so I'm super excited to put that on my wall, and I feel like that is what really got me into the whole string lights and inspirational wall that I want to do. So I really have to get some command hooks or command strips or something to hold everything on there. And she got me these spear push pins, but if you guys didn't know, my aesthetic is black, gold, and white, and gray. So these go together amazingly. She really thought of me, so thank you, Annie. And I absolutely love these because they are my aesthetic, and I really wanted like either a whiteboard or a bulletin board to put stuff in. So you will definitely see this in the future video. At first, I was thinking about replacing my like vision board, but then if I put it on here, you guys wouldn't see it on the daily. Like it would make a cute background if I just kept it. So I'm gonna keep my vision board here for now. The next thing that she got me was these sparkly scotch tapes. I don't know why I said it like that. Don't ask me why. And again, my aesthetic: white sparkly, black sparkly, and gold sparklies. So I will definitely be using this in a pen pal video soon, sometime soon. I'm really excited because I just love, you know, video. I just love that aesthetic, and I feel like it would be super cute if I like put some Polaroids up here with these if I didn't want to like push pen them. And on the term of my aesthetic, she got me this notebook. I'm super excited because this notebook is something I've been looking for a while. I have, number one is my aesthetic. It is gold, white, and gray. You open it up and it is dark gray. It has this little like bookmark thing. You open it up and it's lined paper, and it has a subject line and a date line. And I've been wanting that forever. I just haven't found the notebook to get it. So thank you, Annie. You've really thought about me, and it's awesome. I don't know what I'm going to use it yet, but it will definitely be for something. And then the last thing that Annie got me are, I was so excited when I saw these. I wish I would have recorded my reactions. Are these Tombow pens. Tombow brush pens, and I'm super excited because I feel like these ones are going to be super easier than a more like steadier, darker tip. The one thing I am confused about is the packaging is different, but they're both black. One of them is WSBS, one of them is WSBH black. So one of them is more in a navy tone, and then the other is more like a deep black. So I don't know if this one's supposed to be jet black and this one's supposed to be just black. But I love this. So thank you, Annie. Of these are going to be perfect. I want to try calligraphy, so comment down below if you guys want like a video on me just doing calligraphy, because I'm super excited for that. I don't think it's really focusing, but thank you for all the gifts. They're my aesthetic. I'm super excited to use these in the future video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, life update video, kind of what you guys want to see next. I'm really interested in that. Thank you guys for listening to my opinions and what I got for my birthday. Again, I will try to link everything down below if I can. I will link something similar, but my Amazon link is always in my link and description. I always have videos for you guys to watch next in my link down below in my description. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Again, make sure you guys subscribe to be part of the Angels team. Also hit that notification bell to be part of the #Angels notification team. I love you guys. Stay tuned until next Sunday's video, because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.